Well, hello. On this video I'm going to show you how to create a function and the basic types and their use on Python. Here are my functions as I showed you on the video before. The way you call the function, it doesn't matter, but you have to put def so Python knows this is a function. Here are my variables, the things I want to make with my function. In this case it's x plus y, the return output, and the same as all these functions. Here I have my inputs, and here I have my print output. This gives us all the results, if you want to see it like that, of every function. And here's a proof that this code works. Here, the sum of 6 and 7 is 13. The difference of 6 and 7 is -1, and so on. Also, on this video I want to show you how to the basic types and their use in Python. Here, as you can see, I'm using comments on each text I want to print as the same as in my terminal. Here, as you can see, the sum of is the same. Then x is 6 because of my input. My input was 6 and 7. 6 is x and 7 is y. This is going to be 6 and 7, 6 and 7, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. On each x and y you want to put, because it's a variable, it's not text. And at the last you want to put the name of the function, so it gives you the output. Also, another basic thing about this about Python, it's the comments that I showed you before. You have to put a hashtag on the whatever you want to write, and it's not part of your code. Also, the parentheses, because if you don't close it all the way from this one to that one to the end, it's not going to work. You have to count the number of parentheses as you do on algebra to make it work. Here you have one that it's opening, and only one that is closing. You have to put another one, so it works. Here also the two dots, you have to put it also after a function, because you are going to tell it what the function is going to do. Here you say def summa x and y, you're going to say it return x plus y. Without these 2 points, your code is not going to work. Also, one of the basic things, I think this might be useful to you. Well, this not. Here you have another thing that it's really basic. This was on the first partial. This was really difficult because there was a lot of steps you had to do to just sum two numbers, and that's why we are now learning functions. Here, as you can see, you had to put first the input, then convert it as an integer, then convert it as a string with each equation you want to do on the top side, and within each variable you have to put the kind of sign you want to put in each variable. Here you have minus, times, between, and plus. So it was really difficult and confusing. So the functions are really useful to make it faster and easier. And that's it. I think that's the basics about the Python program. So I hope this video makes it easier to you to understand the things you want to improve on Python. Thank you.